What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another episode of Properly Built Drift Car. In today's episode, we are bringing the S14 over to Apex, and my buddy Danny from Unrivaled Tuning is going to be breaking in the engine and throwing some boost at it. Same problem we ran into last year. The USB connector on the ECU is loose and the tuner's computer continues to disconnect every time there's vibration of the engine and the motor running. So Jason came from Rival Auto, was kind enough to let us borrow his brand new ECU. We pulled my old ECU out. We're gonna tune on a brand new ECU, and then we're just gonna upload the map onto this ECU while it's stationary. That way there's no vibration and this connector is no longer giving us a problem. And then in the near future, I'm gonna send this back out to AEM, have them rebuild this, probably replace the connector, and we should be all set. So we're just finishing up the dyno, and Otis over here rolled in with his RB25 S14. So we've been throwing more and more boost at it, and it's just taking it. 644, 546 foot-pounds of torque. Torque curve is like a typical LS, except with 2 less cylinders.